Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you how to refill your gas. So here, it's just the safety cover here. It's released by pushing. Open it up, and then it's got this easy fill, easy fuel. So if you're at the gas station, all you got to do is just stick right into here, refill as needed, and then you're done. If you're stuck on the side of the road, say somewhere, and you got a gas can, usually these easy fills or easy fuels, you got to go in your trunk and then look through under like where your spare tire is, and there should be a white little funnel, and that's made specifically for these easy fuels. So you'd stick that little white funnel in and then pour your gas can into that funnel, because otherwise the gas can might just leak everything onto the road. It's like just a safety feature. They made it this way for emissions. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and show you some angles too if you got issues with this. Maybe debris stuck in here somewhere. But hope you have a great day.